How to fix no signal issue in Redmi Note 13. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And then swipe up to power off your device and then turn back on. After that, open settings and then click on more connectivity options. Now here you can turn on or off airplane mode. After turning on or off airplane mode, then reinsert your SIM card. After insert your SIM card, then again click on more connectivity options and then click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. And then click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on about phone. And then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.